Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a little cocktail known as the Sidecar. Alright, first thing we want to do is we want to add 2 ounces of brandy. If you want to substitute, you can add cognac. I just went with brandy. And then we want to add 1 ounce of Grand Marrainer. If for whatever reason you can't find Grand Marrainer, you can use triple sec, but I really recommend Grand Marrainer. I just think the flavor's a lot better. That's just me. Then we want 1 ounce of lemon juice. Place the top on and give it a shake. And then you just want to pour this in a martini glass. And that's that. The Sidecar. Done.